Want to make your iMessage chats more fun and personal? With iOS 26, you can now add colorful or photo backgrounds to your conversations. Anyone in the chat will see it, and they can even change it on their device too. Let me show you how to add, customize, and remove backgrounds in messages. Let's start with dynamic color backgrounds. First, open the Messages app and go to the conversation you want to customize. At the top, tap the contact or group icon, then tap Backgrounds. Here you'll see options like color, sky, water, and aurora.
To proceed with this guide, tap Color.
Swipe left to preview each style until you find the one you like. You can fine-tune the look by tapping the color swatches in the bottom corners. Once you're satisfied, tap the blue check mark to save and apply your new background. If you want something more personal, you can set a photo as your background. Go back to the conversation, tap the contact or group icon, then tap Backgrounds again. This time, tap Photo. Pick an image from your albums or photo library. You can crop it, adjust colors, or apply a filter to match your style. When you're happy, tap the blue check mark to apply. You can even use a shared photo from the chat itself. Just touch and hold the image someone sent you, then tap Set as Background. It instantly applies that picture behind your conversation. Backgrounds are great for making conversations feel more personal. For example, you can set a family photo for your group chat with relatives, a vacation picture with friends, or a calming aurora theme for late-night texting. It's a simple way to add personality to your iPhone messages. But if you ever want to go back to the default plain interface, it's easy. Open the conversation with the background, tap the contact or group icon, tap Backgrounds, then select None. Your chat will return to the standard clean look. And that's it. You now know how to add, edit, or remove backgrounds in iMessage on iOS 26. If this video helped you customize your chats, give it a like and check out my other iOS 26 tutorials for more ways to personalize your iPhone. Thanks for watching.